extracurriculars here are very important to the student life because it allows you to experiment new things in like this community that you already like know, and like you feel comfortable experimenting new things because you know the teachers who are running the clubs, you know the students that are part of the clubs, so it's not as intimidating to go in and try something new as it would be somewhere else.
And as a group, it's just, as a club, it's just amazing to see like all grades, all different groups, all different cultures come together and set kind of in a uniform way in this kitchen and prepare meals that people get to enjoy together. And it didn't come without challenge. We had many challenges, tried some dishes that didn't work, but through that we learned, we grew as a group, and we succeeded, and we look forward to succeeding more and growing each time.
I think it's such a fun way to connect, to laugh, to have fun. And yeah, like I think also I'm secretary on student council, and I think that's a really great way to like just improve the school and be a part of a community of students, like your fellow students that really care about the school as well. And being a student ambassador is so rewarding because you're able to talk about, especially as seniors, we're able to talk about like how much we love our school, because we really do, and how much it's changed, how much we've changed, and what we really like about it.
Playing volleyball here has been truly a really great experience for me. I've never played on a volleyball team before, so my junior year was my first time actually trying volleyball and playing. And what I really appreciated about the Waldorf community was how welcoming and accepting they were of me trying out volleyball. Like I remember like the team being so excited that I was joining. And also like, it was my first time playing, I wasn't really that good. So with the help of coaches and my teammates, I really do feel like my skill improved a lot within the 2 years I participated. And I really appreciated the welcoming community of the sports environment.
It's really great having that bonding experience and getting to know like the freshmen, because I really like getting to meet them, and it's also good for the school year because we can like talk to them in the hallways and stuff. And I really like playing at this school because like it's like a community, and people that work at the school like can come to the games, they can watch, and they can always be like, oh my god, you did great, or like good job, and just like ask about how it was. And it's really nice to be able to tell them, and it's really fun.
Well, I think for me, volleyball has really given me this sense of community, and I've made such great friends from playing volleyball. I think my skill has really improved, and it's a really good way to like exercise, but also get to know people and make connections. And yeah, I think it's just brought a lot of like really good things to my life.
Yeah, I know that one of our games at senior night, last year's senior night, it was a pretty big turnout, but it's always, you're not sure how it will look or how it'll be. These stands were full of people. There were people like in the entryway because they couldn't fit in the gym anymore. And some of our buddies in the 5th grade, they were there too. And I remember I was about to serve, and I just heard like my little buddy go, yeah, Lena. And it was so cute because they made signs, and they was like just all full and just supporting us.
The idea was we wanted to incorporate the idea of cooking, which is a skill that many should know. And then we also wanted to include culture. So the idea arose when Joseph and I were like, we both love cooking and we both love our culture, so why not start something and put something together? So this cooking club arose, and it is what it is now. So we learn cooking skills, but we also learn about a culture that's not that popular nowadays.
Right when the club started, we decided to bring our club together. We had a sign-up sheet, and we ended up having about 15 to 20 people sign up. It was a very popular club. So we decided to organize it in a way that we would have students every week cook a different dish. And on the 4th week of the month, we would have our dinner, which was all 3 of the dishes that we made in the previous weeks, but put all in one day, and more of a restaurant style type of situation. So we assigned students different groups and different roles in that dinner. We had waiters, waitresses, ushers that would usher the people to their seats. We had chefs in the back and servers, and it was a great experience, and people indulged in a 3-course meal, and it was the rave of the week. Everyone loved it.